Our third grade team reads a story in their ELA Journeys program that deals with a police dog. And the teachers came and said, would it be okay for us to reach out to local law enforcement? We have a K-9 unit in the area that actually services our building in our area, and said, could we see if they'd be willing to come out and share their K-9 unit? So we did, and we're graced by the K-9 unit today to share what they do, and kids are right now petting the dog, and it's been a pretty neat experience.
We read the story, Arrow and Officer Mike. That's our Journeys reading series, and the students loved it, and we just thought it would be really fun to have Officer McGuigan come visit and showcase his dog Nisha. My third grade students also read the story, and we thought this would be a very valuable experience for them to see the dog.
Today I came out to do a demonstration for the kids of Brooke Elementary. Just give them an idea of what the K-9's job and responsibilities are, let them see the dog. Some of them got to pet the dog, show them some of the simple things that we do on a daily basis. It's a complete asset. We can do things a lot faster and with less manpower than normally if they weren't available. We can clear a building faster, we can check an area faster. Just having the dog there is an asset. Whether it's for explosives, narcotics, a building search, an area search, looking for lost children, missing elderly. Just having that dog there and its capabilities is an asset that I wish everybody had. Nisha was K-9 Flynn's replacement. Flynn retired January 1st, New Year's Day. We ended our shift at 3 a.m. Flynn retired. Nisha was purchased with a donation from Holland. We went through progressive training, Lehigh County, and we got a video of her, and she was one of the first dogs that became available when the borders started to open up when COVID shut everything down.
It's neat for us because we have such a wonderful community, school community and outside school community. So this is a great example of an opportunity for us that we can partner with those individuals, with law enforcement, and I know our teachers appreciate it, our kids appreciate it, and they learned more outside of Brooke today than they may have inside of Brooke, or equally as much outside of Brooke as inside of Brooke. So it's been a pretty cool experience.
What do we all say to Officer McGuigan and Nisha, boys and girls? Thank you!